I'm Lisa Colllins, and I'm the one that you want for your next project. Marie. Should I say the whole thing? I originally got into acting because I met somebody on Chestnut Street. So I showed up the next day, and I was on Silver Linings Playbook for the next 3 days. That's how it all started. To be a good actor, I believe that it takes a lot of persistence, training, and passion. What are you doing to me? Stop it. I'm really good with other actors. I'm really good with kids. I'm good with other actors, especially good with Siamese twins. And I'm union eligible. I'm really great with animals. This is Chuck Bass. I consider myself a humble, loving person. Who is this? What do you want? I'm busy. I'm on film. Don't bother me again. I'm going to block you. Is this all being recorded? No. What does this do? Hi, I'm Lisa Marie Colllins, and I'm the one that you want for your next project.